Here's an application of the coordinates of the vertex. Consider this function here, h of t equals negative 16t squared plus 150t plus 25, where t represents the time in seconds after which a ball is launched, and h of t represents the height of a ball from the ground. So a ball is launched, think of it from a top of a house with some device that launches balls. And the idea here is, what do the coordinates of the vertex mean? Let's find them and then find out and interpret those coordinates. So let's do this with the maximum feature. I drew a picture here of the graph. This guy is opening down. The coefficient of t squared is negative. So this is the graph. We're interested in the coordinates of that point right there, where the input is t, the output is h of t. So the inputs are the time in seconds. The output values represents heights of the ball. So here's the idea. We'll use our maximum feature. So let's put this into y1 and then go to second trace or calc and then to the maximum feature. Here's how we do that. So we put that into our calculator. I'm using these windows from negative 10 to 15 by negative 300 to 600. So let's graph that. And we'll do second trace or calc. We'll hit the max feature, and the calculator will ask us about the bound. So our left bound should be left of the top of the hill, so that's a good place right there. The right bound should be right of the top of the hill, anywhere right, so that's a good place right there. The calculator will ask us guess, so we want to guess and start in between those two triangles, so we'll say hit yes, and the calculator will give it to us. Let's round those coordinates to 2 decimal points. So the vertex is approximately 4.69, comma 376.56. So 4.69, comma 376.56 is the coordinates of the vertex. Let's write a sentence that interprets this or gives us the practical significance regarding the context here. So remember, this is an input value or a t value, and this is an h of t value. This has units of seconds, that has units of heights, or units of, of feet, representing the height of the ball. So the ball is launched, and then at this point has its highest height, if you will. So hopefully you're thinking this. After 4.69 seconds, the ball has a maximum height of 376.56. And that's what it is. So let's write that. All right, so I said after approximately 4.69 seconds, the ball has a max height or maximum height of 376.56 feet. And that will always be considered, or the variables themselves will always be considered when citing these two coordinates and trying to write a sentence.